it's washer down Wednesday. Oh, wait, it's Tuesday. Shit. Not too bad. We washed her up anyway. Alright, thanks for tuning in to another vlog episode of Driven by Gears. Today we're going to finish up the lifted Z71 that we've been painting. Going to clean up the wheels real quick and then put them on, and we'll roll this sucker outside for the big reveal. So stay tuned, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe. First time rolling out since the new paint job. Here we go. Alright, there we have it. It is outside. I think it may have just a little bit of sparkle. Oh, I can see a little bit of metal flake. Oh yeah. It is looking good right there. That is nice. Get out here a little ways. Man, that makes that blue pop. Alright, as you can see, we got her all back together. She is looking good. Almost covered up all the dents there, but you can still see them a little bit, but it's a lot better than what it was. So that is the Speedokote textured paint. Got the new grill in, just need to add the LED Chevy bow tie. As you can see, it's got a little bit of a sparkle to it with that metal flake that I added. Hopefully the GoPro picks that up. Not exactly sure. The roof up there. Go in a little bit closer. Maybe you can get a little bit of a hue look. Alright, so now we got the textured green and the textured black. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe, and until next time, keep it simple, keep it sweet.